clap, clap, clap. Down the trail, the horse family trots along. Then a butterfly flutters by. They chase after the butterfly. Chase, chase, chase. They run fast and laugh. The butterfly is gone from sight. Little horse stops. He looks behind. Oh no! Mom and Dad are gone! Where did Little Horse's family go? Look, look, look! Hoofprints in the dirt. Let's follow them. The grass gets taller now. The hoofprints fade away. Oh no! What do we do now? Little horse sniffs along the ground. This way! This way! Mom horse looks all around. Dad horse calls out for Little Horse. Neigh, neigh, neigh. Wait, Hampy hears something. Little horse lifts his head up fast. It's coming from this way. Come on! Run this way! Run, run, run! Fresh hoofprints on the ground. Yes! We found the trail! Come on! Keep going! We will find them. Uh-oh, we're losing the trail again. Wait! Don't lose it! Leaves are all over the ground. Hampy brushes them away. Look! One more hoofprint here. Come on, Little Horse! There is a big green hill ahead. The hoofprints lead up, up, up. Run, run, run! Let's go up! Hampy hears the horses getting closer. Almost there! Little Horse, keep going! We're so close now! Run to the top. Look! The horse family is here! We found them! We found them! Little Horse runs to his family. Now they're back together. Happy neighs are all around. Neigh, neigh, neigh. Little Horse is safe with Mom and Dad. Hip, hip, hooray! Then the butterfly comes back. Little Horse sees it and gasps. Oh no, not again. He gets ready to dash. Hampy jumps in front real fast. No, no, no. Stay right here. Little Horse nods and stays put. Everybody laughs together.